Hey besties, welcome to today's video. I am going to be doing a little bit of reconciling my budget, if you will. I'm going to be looking at it, making sure that I am all set to go for the month of April. Thought I was going to get paid today by unemployment, but they didn't run me my money. So hopefully I get paid tomorrow because I did do what I was supposed to do when I did it on time. But anyway, so I'm going to be reconciling, looking at my bills, doing any expense tracking. I need to pay one of my credit cards, and so we're going to be doing all of that together. And today begins my no spend challenge. So let's go ahead and flip the camera over and let's get going. If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If you're a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I'm so glad that you guys are back. So we're going to be taking a look at my budget, or the month actually. I'm going to be looking to make sure everything has been paid that is actually due today. I'm going to also be making that credit card payment that I stated earlier, and also just making sure that I am ready to start the month fresh. A lot of you guys always ask me how to help you budget if you're only paid once a month. And I will tell you that the most important thing for you to do is to make sure that you are checking your accounts and you are expense tracking and you are checking in on your budget almost daily. If not daily, every other day. It is important to have everything budgeted out so you know how much money has come in or will be coming in, how much money you have going out, and even if you need to move some things around, maybe like from your emergency fund or just a rainy day fund that you may have, or even some sinking funds that you may have as well. So I'm going to be walking you through what that looks like. So once again, it is April 1st and this video will be out on April 1st. If you have not taken a look at your entire month, I want to encourage you to plan for the month. If you don't do anything else, at least have a calendar where you have all of your bills written down and you have all of your paydays written down as well. If your mortgage, your HOA, or anything else is due on the 1st, make sure all of those bills are paid and make sure everything is paid up until the next payday that you have. So for example, I should have gotten the unemployment check on the 1st. However, I didn't get it. So it's going to come in at some point. However, I still have bills that's due today, and I've already saved this money. I've already prepared for it a month in advance. So make sure that you are also doing that. If you are a person who's paid once a month, it's best if you can prepare for your bills the previous month. So what you may need to do is start saving for 1 month in advance, so you're always 1 month ahead and you can pay your bills with the money that you already have, and you can live off of that money and it's not going to be as stressful. Okay, I get a lot of questions where people are asking me how to budget when you're only paid one time. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to log into my bank account to make sure that my mortgage was paid for this month. Or actually, I'm going to log into my mortgage account to make sure that my mortgage was paid. And to be honest with you, I don't even remember if I paid it. This is the reason why it's important to have the days where you sit and pay your bills. But I didn't do it this time. Things have been pretty busy, so I'm getting my life back in order to make sure that I have these days, okay? And things are different, of course, now that I am being paid I'm being paid differently. Let me just say that. Okay, where is my mortgage? I thought I had them saved. Hello. All right, so my mortgage was not paid. So let me go ahead and make that payment. So I just paid my HOA, and it's important to note that my HOA has increased. That is absolutely crazy. My HOA went from when I first moved in, $260. Then it went up to $295. Now it's $340. Well, total payments will be $344.95. What is happening? Okay, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Whatever. Anyway, so this is why it is important to look at things often, daily if you can, because it is very important to make sure that you are staying on track. So both of these things have been paid, and then I know my electric bill was paid because I already went in and paid it. And this is on, this here is on, what do you call it? I keep saying on. It's on auto pay, so that pretty much will be paying itself, and then internet cable is on auto pay too, and then ADT. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my expense tracker, and then we'll come back and we're almost done. See, that didn't take very long at all, but let me get this completed and we'll come back. Alright, so as of today, this is the only thing that has come out of my account. So I am all caught up with my expense tracking for today. Now, there's one more thing that I need to do. I just had a brain freeze. Oh, I need to pay my credit card. So what I did on Saturday when I went out with my girls, I had them put all of the bill on my credit card, and I had everybody Zelle me before I put it on my credit card, but I had everybody Zelle me, and I paid for the bill so that I can get the points for my credit card. So I need, now that the charge has actually posted to my account, now I just need to go ahead and make that payment, and that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, so that has been done. Now, as it relates to my no spend, it starts today, but I usually do not highlight or track my day until the next day, because anything can happen from now until the end of the day where you can still spend money. So I usually am one day behind in tracking my no spend days, so we're all good there. I'm also taking a look at my priorities, and of course the no spend challenge. I did call to decrease my Spectrum bill and my car insurance. I have to wait to, I will be decreasing that bill, which is good because this is going to be decreasing about, I think it was like $30 or $40. So that $30 or $40 that has gone up in my HOA, now I can reallocate that money to my HOA. And now more than ever, I'm canceling cable. Like, it gotta go. It just has to go, like, at this point. And then of course I'm continuing to look for a job, and yeah, so everything is good. So that is my expense tracking and money management for the first day of August. I want to encourage you to join the new BFF community. I'm not sure if you know about it, but we have already set our goals in our community, and we're going to be checking in every other Friday. So if you need an accountability partner, I know a lot of you guys tell me that you don't have one. We will be your accountability partner to make sure that you get those financial goals met, that savings goals, debts goals, whatever financial journey it is that you are on, bringing more income in the home, all of that good stuff. We are committing to that in the community, and we're holding one another accountable. So I don't want you to miss out on anything. Click the link down below and join the BFF community. There will be newsletters. We do wins and shout outs, of course. There is also going to be monthly challenges, which we have our monthly challenge already set for the month of April that we do together as a group. And then we're also just many more. You don't want to miss out on this. Okay, there's gonna be a BFF of the month. So make sure that you guys are tuned in. The link is down below. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer those questions for you. But until then, I'll see you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you do it.